Hallo und willkommen bei Spring German. Ich bin Denisa. We all make mistakes, especially while learning foreign languages. In this video, I will show you my top 5 of typical mistakes German learners do. This way, you will be prepared and you can avoid them. Now, let's start with the first one. Los geht's! Erstens, don't mix up word gender. The most common mistake is to mix up the articles, which is no wonder since there are 3.
3? Yes, der, die and das. Komm, ich erkläre es dir.
German has 3 articles, der, die und das. Their usage depends on the gender of the noun. So it's important to memorize the gender of each noun to avoid errors in article usage. Try the color trick, memorizing the words in different colors. For example, memorize the masculine words in blau, the feminine words in rot, and the neutral words in gelb. I made a whole video about that topic, which you can check out right here. Following up that mistake, beginners are mixing up er and sie. There are several languages which do not have a distinction between he and she. Some examples for such languages are Turkish and Finnish. Here, they have only one word for he and she. So only the context determines the gender of the person being referred to.
Sie hat eine coole Jacke.
Wen meinst du?
Daniel.
Ach so, du meinst, er hat eine coole Jacke.
Ja, genau. Danke für die Verbesserung.
Chunk alert! The chunk for today is Danke für die Verbesserung. Making mistakes is completely fine and normal. But if you want to learn a new language, you have to accept that you will be corrected a few times. This will only help you in your learning journey. So if it happens, you can respond, Danke für die Verbesserung. If you want to learn more helpful chunks like this, check our free Essential German Chunking Kit. The link is in the description. Zweitens, don't confuse the word order.
Ich heute ins Kino gehe.
Du meinst, ich gehe heute ins Kino.
Stimmt. Ich komme immer durcheinander. Danke für die Verbesserung.
Gerne. Ich verstehe das. We all get confused with the word order from time to time. Das Wichtigste ist, to keep the subject and the verb always together and never separate them in the main clause. Here are some examples. Ich gehe ins Kino. Martin arbeitet als Kellner. Julia lernt Deutsch. At the end of this video, I will show you a very common mistake that will already show in small talk. So stay tuned. Drittens, don't pronounce ch incorrectly.
Ich singe gerne.
Ich tanze gerne. Ich spiele gerne Videospiele. Which way is it correct? Ich is the right pronunciation here. Other examples with this pronunciation of ch are Licht, Küche, Milch. But when there are closed vowels like a or o in front of it, ch is pronounced ch. Some examples. Lachen, kochen, Bach. Lachen, kochen, Bach. To practice the pronunciation, you can repeat this sentence. Ich stehe in der Küche und koche. Ich stehe in der Küche und koche. 4. Don't get confused with the false friends. Was willst du nach deinem Studium werden?
Ich bekomme Ärztin.
Du meinst, ich werde Ärztin. Using the word bekommen instead of werden is a very typical mistake German beginners do. False friends are two words that appear to have the same meaning in two languages but have two different meanings. Here are some examples of false friends for you. Aktuell means currently and not actual. Chef in German means boss and not the cooking chef. Giftig means poisonous and not something like a gift. 5. Don't say ich bin gut. Say this.
Hi, wie geht's dir?
Ich bin gut. Dir?
Du meinst, mir geht es gut.
Ja, danke für die Verbesserung. Mir geht es gut.
Gerne. Mir geht's auch gut, danke.
If you're doing small talk with someone and you want to say that you're good, don't say ich bin gut, which is literally translated I'm good. However, in German, to express that you're good, you should say mir geht es gut or ich fühle mich gut. If you are trying to say that you're good at something, for example, I'm good at playing the piano, you could say ich bin gut im Klavierspielen or ich spiele gut Klavier. In this context, gut is used to describe your ability rather than how you're feeling. If you want to learn more about small talk, we have a whole video about it right here. See you there!